LayerZero is a cross-chain communication protocol that allows smart contracts from different blockchains to communicate with each other. Each supported chain has an on-chain endpoint that the off-chain relayer listens to. We can establish a line of communication between, say, Sepolia and Mumbai in two simple steps. Let us make a cross-chain bridge that swaps ETH for MATIC and vice versa to better understand this. First, we need to implement a function in our contract that calls the send function on the Sepolia endpoint. In our case, this is a payable function that allows the user to deposit the amount of ETH they want to swap for MATIC. Our function then performs a few simple checks to ensure the validity of the message and encodes the message into a bytes variable. Lastly, the function performs an external call on the endpoint contract to call the send function and passes 1 ETH to pay for the gas. Only a small part of it is used though, and most of it is refunded to the contract's address. Now, that is how you send a message. To handle incoming messages, our contract needs to define an internal function that will be called by LayerZero to deliver a message. The arriving message is decoded into a recipient's address and the value logged on the other contract. Finally, we transfer an equal amount of ETH to the recipient's address to complete the swap. This contract, alongside a very similar contract, are both deployed to Sepolia and Mumbai respectively. Finally, we can call the trusted remote address function on both of these contracts, which marks each of them as trusted for the other. And that wraps up this short tutorial. I wrote a full blog on this topic. The link to the blog and the GitHub repo can be found in the comments.